I've made it up to this rather large cairn that I missed a few years back. But anyway, I am out of Boucher Creek, and if I look back to the left, I came down from that way on Tuesday. Yeah, beast of a trail. If you're gonna go into Boucher and spend some time to enjoy it, I would recommend going the way I'm going today and scooting on down to Hermit, spending the night at Hermit, and then coming on over to here, because the Boucher kicks my butt, and I don't know, I'm not some crazy powerful hiker, but I don't know, I think it would do a lot of people in. So anyway, I'm gonna get a move on. I'm gonna get some awesome views of the Colorado today, even though it is brown. Yeah, chocolate milk. But anyway, later. All right, definitely back on that Tonto now. Heading east or upriver towards Hermit. But anyway, there's looking towards where I'm coming from, where I came from. Sorry, catching my breath. Wow. But anyway, pretty awesome view here. I mean, it's wide open. Makes me, I don't know about you, makes me feel kind of small sometimes. But anyway, yeah, the Tonto's that, for the most part, it's not a bad trail. So I'm just gonna kind of plug along and enjoy it. Just up another little slope along the Tonto here, and yeah, you leave behind one area and then you come into another one. It's amazing how it changes and it's not all the same. And yeah, and I don't know, while I'm thinking about it, I have seen a few buds on some of the cacti, but I have not seen any blossoms yet on this trip, although there's been some really pretty wildflowers that I've gotten a few pictures of. So I just figured while I remembered, I would spit that out. First glimpse of the Colorado along this stretch of the Tonto between Boucher Camp and Hermit Camp. Those are, pretty sure those are Boucher Rapids, and I would have been down there. You just can't see where I was last night. But anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. I'm just gonna continue heading upriver here, enjoying the different views and these few wispy clouds, because that sun, man. Oh, looking back down river, just the other side of this little ridge or saddle or whatever you want to call it. I showed you the first glimpse of the Colorado River and what I'm pretty sure is Boucher Rapids. And after we cross, there is a pretty sweet view of the Colorado River again, and those should be Hermit Rapids, and you'll be seeing the small beach area. I will probably go down to that tomorrow. I'm not camping at it this time, but I think I'll make it down there tomorrow. But I've got a ways to go. I know it looks like I could touch it, but not yet. Here we are, just meandering along the Tonto. Another glimpse of that Colorado River. And I'm going to be following this trail here and just kind of going around. I am moving forward, but here we are looking back down river. Pretty nice stretch of the Colorado right there. And again, that is Boucher Rapids. And you can see the awesome little sand dune beach area where I spent the night last night. So, gotta keep on heading upriver though. Gotta climb me out of this little drainage or pour off thingy. Looking downriver there at Boucher Rapids. And then we're just gonna slowly go around this way and get a look upriver. And there we have Hermit Rapids. Wow, told you I'd get you some views of the Colorado on this stretch. All right, this trail definitely isn't a walk in the park. Another look at the Colorado River, and then if you look, I'm trying to get it about center frame. There's the trail that I just came up from that other point. It is quite the little climb there. Yeah, got me breathing heavy, a little bit winded here. But anyway, looks like I'm headed back down just a little bit. And I'll probably have to climb back up again, but that is the Tonto and that is the Grand Canyon. Just came that short ways down from there, and I can now see the upriver portion of the Colorado. So I should get moving, but I don't know. It's pretty beautiful out, and I still haven't seen anybody. All right, I just came from there, and I need to follow the trail. I think you can probably see it in some of this. I'm trying to get some of the view too, but I need to tuck back into, if I'm not mistaken, Travertine Canyon, and then I'll follow the trail along, and then I need to head back out, get another view of the river, pretty sure, before I tuck back in to Hermit on the other side of that. So, later. Alright, I am tucked back quite a ways in Travertine Canyon. The trail heads out that way. It's marked by several cairns. There's some cairns up ahead, but I'm a little bit too lazy to go check them out. And up on the wall, I don't know if you can see it. It looks to be like a little cave or something, but yeah. This is quite a bit of up and down here. I'm tired. I'm gonna climb part way back out there, and there looks to be another drainage pour off where I can catch some shade and eat some lunch. Looking back downriver again, I am coming out of Travertine Canyon, and I took a short break, ate some lunch, went to put my backpack back on, and I had a tick on it. So yeah, now I'm kind of creeped out. Another look back. I'm gonna lose this view shortly here, but saying goodbye to Travertine Canyon and moving onward to the Hermit area, where I have 2 nights, and hopefully I didn't move too fast there. As I lose that view of the Colorado River, I am again picking up just the top of Hermit Rapids there, and then upriver quite a ways. That is probably Granite Rapids. If you've never been there, that is a, oh my gosh, sweet little beach area. Monument Camp is awesome. If you can camp actually at Granite Rapids, it's pretty awesome too. Pretty awesome view of Hermit Rapids from here, and then just going upriver again. Should be able to see Granite Rapids, and beyond that, I'm not too sure. All right, that view, I mean, wow. I'm beginning to head back, you know, really into the Hermit area now, and this is the view I'm having. And then, God, if you look, you can see that little, I think I pointed it out, looks like a little cave in the Travertine Canyon area that's showing up above here. But anyway, yeah, trail was a little bit edgy back there. I don't like edgy trail. Just a small view of Hermit Creek and a small piece of the Colorado River at this point. Just a view of up Hermit Creek from where I just shot down. Making my way along the Tonto here until I drop down into Hermit. When you see the composting toilet, you know you're getting close. Still got a little ways to go, but I'm pretty close to dropping into Hermit Camp. And I'm ready. Just a little bit more of the view. There are the falls up creek from Hermit Camp. And this is just a good down shot on the layout of the camp. The sweet little site tucked up under the rock is occupied, but there's plenty more. I will be looking for shade today because I am a crispy critter. But anyway, almost there. Just have to drop down in. The last time I dropped down in from this direction, I fell in the creek, toasted a camera, and yeah, it was not a good afternoon. Again, just a pretty sweet view of heading up Hermit Creek from camp. I mean, I don't know that it gets any better than that, huh? Anyway, here's the trail. I've got a little ways, not too much.